Hey guys, it's Alex here and welcome back to my channel. I have deer ears on because it is relevant to this collection because today we're testing out the Colourpop and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. So Colourpop kindly sent this collection to me and I created this look here. So if you guys want to know how to create this look and what I think about this collection, then just keep on watching. Also, I am in a new setup. I am figuring out my lighting still. I have switched back to a combination of natural lighting and my LED lights, so yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. And yeah, let's just jump straight into the video. So first, let's go through all of the products in the collection. So firstly, we have the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. There are 15 shades. Next up we have 2 lip kits. So this is the There's Always Tomorrow lip kit and it comes with a Cream Luxe lipstick and a lippy pencil. Both of these are in the shades Rudolph. And the other lip kit is called the I Think You're Cute lip kit. It also comes with a Luxe lipstick and a lippy pencil, and these are both in the shades Clarice. Next we have a couple of Misfits Luxe lip gloss trio. So there's 3 shades in this kit and it comes with Hermé, Dolly and the Misfit Elephant. And next, these are very cute. We have a lippy scrub and a lip mask and they come in these little packages that look like ornaments. So first up we have this Clarice lip mask and it is candy cane flavored. And we have a Rudolph lippy scrub which is also candy cane flavored. And lastly, how cute, we have some little reindeer hair clips. I will definitely have to put those on, they look so cute. So that is everything that comes in the collection. I'm just going to quickly prep my eyes and we'll get started with the eyeshadow palette. So we're going to take the eyeshadow palette first and we're going to create a look. So I think I want to do something with the reds and the golds. I feel like it's really early to be doing a Christmas look, but I just can't help myself. So I think I'm going to create a smoky gold cut crease look. I'll be able to test out lots of the shades for you guys as well so I can give you a more fair review. So let's just get started. There is a lovely big mirror in this palette as well, which I really like. I'm going to dip into the shade Full Power. And I'm just going to start by following my natural crease. Pretty maroon shade. I want this look to be winged out, so I'm going to start creating a little V. Just going in really light-handed, I promise the eyeshadow is way more pigmented than this. I just don't want to make a mess. I'm just going to build that shape up and then we're going to really pack that colour in there. This is quite a dramatic look, I apologise. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. That colour was really easy to build up as well and I think it looks really pretty. So we're going to blend that out now. I'm going to take this pinky nude shade in the palette called Independent Together. That has a lot of kickback. And I'm just going to use that to blend that last shade out. It's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. It is blending nicely though. I'm just going to dip back into Full Power and just blend those 2 shades together. This is giving 2016 makeup vibes, I'm not gonna lie. And it is coming back into style. Although I don't know if I can get behind the ABH dip brow pomade again. Okay, I'm liking how this is coming together. I think I'll use one more shade just to blend those edges and then I think we can cut the crease. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and the shade Eat Eat and I'm going to use that just to really blend those edges out. Looking really good. Everything's blending so seamlessly. I really like this palette so far. So I'm going to go in with the shade Ready Santa and just really focus that right in my crease. I'm going to add a little bit more depth to the look. Okay, I'm happy with that blend. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just going to take some makeup remover on a Q-tip and I'm going to start carving out my lid. I want to do an open cut crease today. I've just been obsessed with them lately. So I'm just going to start cutting my crease. Now let's put some shimmer on the lid. I'm going to go in with the red shade Handsome Nose and I'm just going to use my finger and put that on the very edge. These shimmers are very buttery. And then I'm going to pick that shade up on a brush just so I can place it nice and close to the edge of my cut crease. And I'm just going to take some of the shade Full Power and use that to blend the shimmer into the mattes. Taking the shade Snowbank and pressing that right in the center of my lid. Oh, that's such a pretty gold. And now I'm going to take the shade North Pole. It's a pretty champagne gold and I'm going to focus that in my inner corner. Ooh, I like that one. I'm also going to bring it on top of that other gold shade as well. Okay, I'm going to leave the eyes here. I'm quickly going to go off camera and do my base, and then I'll be back to finish off the look and test out some of the other products from the collection. So I'm back and my base is on. Let's finish off the eye look. Also, I use the shade North Pole as my highlighter. I think it looks really pretty on the skin. So I'm going back in with the shade Full Power, and I'm just blending that under my lower lash line. And I'm going to blend that out with a little bit of the shade Independent together. And I'm going to dip into a little bit of North Pole, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. So I'm just going to pop some mascara and lashes on, and then I'll be back to test out the lip products. Okay, lashes are on, and let's finish up with the last few products in the collection, which are the lip products. I was just thinking I probably should have done the lip scrub first, so I'm going to try really hard not to ruin my base makeup. So first let's go in with the Rudolph Lippy Scrub. It definitely smells very faintly of peppermint, so I'm interested to see what it's like on my lips. I'm just going to get some out. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a lot more minty. The sugar granules are quite small, so it's actually quite pleasant to put on my lips. It tastes really good too. It's made my lips feel very soft and exfoliated, and it tastes delicious, so I really like that. Next up, I'm going to try the Colourpop lip mask. Oh, it's very thick. A layer on top. So this also tastes like peppermint. It's not sticky, it's like a balm, but I really like that. It feels very hydrating. The peppermint flavoring isn't too overpowering though. It's more like a subtle flavor as opposed to like a really strong one. Okay, so it's time to pick our lip product. We have the two lip kits here. I'm debating if I want to do like a bold red lip or if I want to pick the pinky nude shade just so I don't overpower the eyes. This lipstick from the There's Always Tomorrow lip kit is quite dark, so I think I'm going to go on with the I Think You're Cute lip kit instead. I just don't want to overpower the eyes, however I definitely think I'll be wearing that red lip in the festive season because it's such a bold bright red. I love it. So I'm going to go on with the Colourpop Lippy Pencil and just outline my lips. Because I have the lip mask on, it's not really sticking to my lips. It's depositing a little bit of colour, but yeah, that lip mask is definitely not letting the product deposit properly. Okay, it's literally like my lip colour, almost identical, because I cannot tell that that's on my lips. So we'll go on with the lipstick. So this is the Colourpop lipstick that also came in that lip kit. And I'm just going to pop it on. I really like that colour. It's a subtle pinky nude. I do like Colourpop Luxe lipsticks as well, so I'll definitely get a lot of use out of this one. And lastly, to top it all off, let's go in with a lip gloss from the Luxe Lip Gloss Trio. I do really like the colours. I definitely think I would wear these a lot day to day. The colour Dolly looks really pretty and I really want to try it, so we're going to go with that one today. They don't have any smell, they just smell like normal Luxe lip glosses, so let's just pop it on. I think that colour looks really cute. There's little gold flecks of glitter in here as well, which is really pretty. So yeah, I like this as well. So this is the final look with the collection. Let me know what you guys think. So let's do some final thoughts. Okay, starting off with the eyeshadow palette. I really like it. I can see myself using it a lot, especially to travel with because of the mirror. And it does have a lot of really good neutral shades, and the pops of colour aren't too intense. Like the red is not a bright red, so I feel like it's quite wearable for a lot of people. I mean, realistically, I don't go around wearing eyeshadow like this in my day-to-day. So I think if you were someone who wanted some festive colours that weren't too overwhelming or too bold, I think you could really like this palette. All of the matte eyeshadows blended really nicely and they blended into one another well. And the shimmer shades were really sparkly. I really like them. I think they're really pretty. The lip scrub and the lip mask. I don't actually own a lip scrub. I really like these, to be honest. I think these would be a really great gift for somebody, especially because they come pre-packaged as ornaments. That's really fun, especially for kids. I feel like kids would love that. It does say what the product is on the outside, so it does kind of spoil it, but it could be a really cool stocking stuffer, or if you do want to hang something fun on your Christmas tree. The peppermint flavoring is not overpowering, so if you're someone who doesn't like really strongly scented or flavored products, I think you'd really like these. So for the lip products, I really like them. I do love Colourpop lip products. They're always so comfortable to wear. The liner was really creamy, however, I would avoid putting it over the lip mask straight away just because it kind of makes it hard for the colour to deposit. But other than that, I think it works perfectly fine, and I really like the colours that they have chosen. The red and the natural nude definitely makes it wearable for everyone. And lastly, the lip glosses. I love Colourpop Luxe lip glosses. They're not too sticky and they do give a really nice shine to the lips, so I will be using these again. Oh my goodness, how could I forget? We have the reindeer ears. Wait, I need to put these on. Okay, the look is now complete. These are so freaking cute. So overall, I really do like this collection. It is limited edition, however, if you picked it up, I think you would also really like it. And yeah, I had a really fun time playing with this today. Once again, thank you to Colourpop for sending this out for me to try. I think I created a really fun look. We got to test out lots of colors. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out by pushing it to new potential viewers. And if you're not yet already subscribed and you want to see more content from me, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you never miss a video. If you want to see any other looks that I don't create here, check out my Instagram at MakeupWithAlix. All of my social medias are linked down below. And once again, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!